Here we have the magnetic charging cable pack. This is a 6-pack and 3-in-1 magnetic phone charger with LED light, nylon braided cord. This pack is compatible with Android, micro USB, and Type-C for the iPhone. Pretty much everything you need to charge most things via USB cable. Now the magnetic charging connector changes the game of charging and cables, because it's such a convenience to have just the connector in the phone already set. Cuts down on wear and tear on your port by pulling cables, adapters in and out, and the easy connection and rotation capability of the cord, and a 90-degree bend in the head makes it so much simpler and convenient to move your charger around while you're using it, to set it up in your car, and it just makes movement with your phone and your charging cable more efficient, which saves you time and aggravation. The magnets are strong and they don't fall off easy. The nylon braid is nice and smooth and very flexible like a rope, and it's proven to withstand 10,000 bends in laboratory environment. So the data cable is capable of 540 degrees rotation, and it can be rotated 360 plus 180 for charging. I especially like the LED light that's in the cable. This way you can find the end of the cable in the dark. So what you get in this pack is 6 magnetic charging cords, 1.6, 3.3, 3.3, 6.6, 6.6, and a 10-foot cable. You get 4 magnetic micro tips, 4 magnetic Type-C tips, and 4 magnetic IP tips. It even comes with a little wrench to help you take out the port from the device, which once it's in, you should leave it in and use these cables all the time. So you can't go wrong by picking up this 6-pack set, and good luck and enjoy it.